Musamseleku post his picture with Makumalo and Impilo on his Instagram because he want to prove people on social media wrong. People we are saying they are no longer together with Makumalo. We know that Musamseleku spent Christmas with Makumalo's family because Makumalo's mother and father they were there together at Makumalo's new house. So Musamseleku spent time with Makumalo. He didn't post those pictures. Maybe they were waiting for DSTV because DSTV doesn't allow them to post pictures every time. So they post the pictures after shooting the season and they were posting those pictures. Why Musamseleku all the times he didn't post Makumalo? Because we saw him posting Mangwawe, Mayeni, Macele, and Makwela at the last episode, but he didn't post Makumalo. But he had people on social media, they were saying they were no longer together. Why he didn't post Makumalo? That post was trending so much on social media. And then yesterday, he posted themselves with Makumalo. Look at Makumalo's picture with Musamseleku, and Musamseleku, he is with Mayeni, Mangwabe, Makwela, and Macele. Those pictures are different. It looks like maybe Musamseleku he is faking the smile with Makumalo. You know that the person who is deep in love, you can show that Musamseleku he is deep in love with other wives, but not Makumalo. Even sometimes he can try to prove people on social media, but we saw it that even on that photo you can saw it that those people they are acting. Maybe Musamseleku spent time at Makumalo's house because they were spending Christmas at Makumalo's house because of her family. But we want to see maybe they are going to have Utando Nestembo uncut as they do last year on 2025 December. Maybe we are going to see another Utando Nestembo uncut on 2026 December. We want to see what's going on between the two of them because they don't show us everything. Nowadays, maybe they can cut, and then they have got Utando Nestembo uncut. So we want to see what's going on because those people on Utando Nestembo season 9, they don't show us everything what's going on between the two of them because guys, between Makumalo and Musamseleku, their relationship is complicated now. Even they can try or what, but people on social media, we are talking about it because especially Makumalo, all other wives are better, but Makumalo is the person who is being affected by that marriage. Makumalo, because Msamseleku, he doesn't love you guys. Even sometimes people they can insult me or what. Msamseleku doesn't love Makumalo. Even we saw it on television, the way he is talking to Makumalo, that he want to fix the way he is talking to Makumalo. It looks like he want to fix like those things to pass to fix the relationship, but deep down in his heart he is no longer in love with Makumalo. The way he is toxic to Makumalo, you can't say let's fix our marriage because we can't have a a ceremony from Pilo because we are not getting along. What so let's start fixing our marriage. You know that Musamseleku, if he want to fix his marriage, he can do by actions. The way he talks to Makumalo, it's not about he can say let's fix our marriage because we are not getting along. What it's not the way he want to fix the marriage. If he is really want to fix his marriage with Makumalo, he have to act his actions because women we believe in actions because your actions, even you talk to your mouth that we want to fix our marriage, but your actions doesn't show that you want to fix your marriage, you want to fix the relationship. Women we do not believe on that. So the way he is talking to Makumalo, the way he is acting to Makumalo, it's not like he want to fix the marriage. Even on diaries, you know that sometimes he is saying negative things about if he want to fix the marriage. Why to Mangwawe nowadays he is always saying positive things with Mangwawe. He want to apologize to Mangwawe's parents. What he is humble to Mayeni and Mangwawe. He have to be humble to Makumalo. So sometimes I don't understand. And now he posted those pictures to fix, to, I don't understand, or maybe to prove people wrong. But people, we are seeing it with our own ears that this is fake. Even the smile, Musamseleku fake to smile to Makumalo every time at pictures.